Guys, look at this. Our university health department is giving free tetanus vaccine for all students this day. I think we should get ours.
Really? That's a great idea. The test shot provide immunity against that disease. Other than muscle soreness, what are other side effects of tetanus shot? I've read in an article saying that it may cause fever and loss of appetite. Irfan, are you coming with us?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shot. I'm scared a little.
Are you sure? It will cost 20 ringgit if you get the shot at the private clinic. You should consider getting it here as it provides for free for you.
Yes, I'm sure. Don't worry.
Okay.
Many months later. Meanwhile,
Irfan, you should probably put on your shoes. There might be a shark out there on the ground.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Ouch!
Oh no, what happened?
I accidentally stepped on a metal.
Yeah, and it's rusted. We should probably go to the doctors immediately. Let's go.
the next day.
Izati, do you hear about the news that Irfan is not feeling well?
Yes, I did. Afrina informed me earlier. She said that Irfan's feet were cut with rusted piece of metal during their jog last evening.
Oh, I see. Let's give him a call and ask how he is doing.
Okay.
We've come a long way from where we began.
Hello, Aisha.
Hello, Irfan.
Yes, I'm currently having a high fever. The doctor said that I'm lucky that I went early to see him, as he's afraid that I might catch the tetanus disease. Yes. Thank you, Aisha. See you soon. Bye.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to present about vaccines and halogen. First of all, let's go through about halogen by Irfan.
Assalamualaikum and hi. I will introduce you about the halogens. So what are the halogens? Halogens derive from Greek origin, which hal means sun and gen means to produce. Halogens are more electronegative atoms which have several electrons, requires one more electron to achieve stable octet arrangement. Halogens has tendency become a negatively charged ion known as halide ion. For the reactions, halogens reacts with water to form acid. For example, chlorine reacts with water to produce hypochlorous acid and hydrochloric acid. At room temperature, fluorine and chlorine are gases. Bromine is liquid, iodine and astatine are solids. Fluorine gas is so reactive, it will ignite anything it touches. Inhaling chlorine gas can cause burning in the eyes and sinuses. Iodine gives off a violet gas and is used by doctors to disinfect wounds. Astatine, an extremely rare element, has a half-life of only 8.3 hours. Tennessine is named after Tennessee, home of the Oak Ridge National Laboratory. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
So, I want to tell about function of halogens. Halogen used to make fire extinguisher. All of the halogen elements except acetine are important elements in producing halon fire extinguisher. The most important is fire extinguisher that contain bromine as the best recommended when there are an absence of a water extinguisher. Halogen used to protect dental cavities. Fluorine is an important element in this case as it is added to our toothpaste to wash our teeth and mouth, thereby keeping it clean and fresh. Fluorine is also helping in making the dental cavity strong. Next, halogen used as a disinfection. In this case, bromine and chlorine, when hydrolyzed, are used as a disinfection to purify your water. These elements are added to swimming pools that have been polluted, and it would make it pure again. Halogen used in the pharmaceutical industries. Halogen like chlorine, fluorine, and iodine can bond and be used in the identification of potential drugs for a patient. They can also be used as a substituent in the medical lab. Used in bleach. Bleach plays a key role in public health. Using bleach solution on frequently touched surfaces such as doorknobs and on food contact surface can help prevent the spread of disease by destroying pathogen. Bleach is commonly used to disinfect surface in child care and adult care center, in hospital where there is an increased risk of spreading infectious disease and antimicrobial resins. After a natural disaster or during an emergency, chlorine bleach can be used to disinfect contaminated water sources and to help control the growth of mold after flooding.
Next, vaccine. What is a vaccine? A vaccine is a suspension of weakened, killed, or fragmented microorganism or toxin or other biological preparation such as those consisting of antibodies, lymphocytes, or mRNA that is administered primarily to prevent disease.
Next, I will share about types of vaccines. There are various types of vaccines, but I will share only 3 types of vaccines. The first one is viral vector vaccines. It uses modified version of different virus as a vector to deliver the protection. Example of these vaccines are Ebola, Zika, HIV, and also COVID-19. The next one is inactivated vaccine. It uses killed version of germ that causes the disease. It doesn't provide immunity that is as strong as live vaccines. The person that get the shot may need several booster shots to get immunity against the disease. Example of this vaccine are hepatitis A, flu, and also polio. Last but not least, it is toxoid vaccines. It uses a toxin, which is a harmful product made by the germ that causes the disease. It creates immunity to the parts of the germ that cause a disease instead of the germ itself. This vaccine needs several booster shots. The example of this vaccine are tetanus and diphtheria.
What is tetanus? Tetanus is also known as lockjaw. It is an acute infectious disease caused by spores of the bacterium Clostridium tetani. The spores can be found everywhere in the environment, particularly in soil, ash, intestinal tracts, or feces of animals and humans, and also can be found on the surfaces of skin and rusty tools like nails, needles, barbed wire, etc. It is very resistant to heat and most antiseptics, and the spores can also survive for years.
How does tetanus vaccine works and what happens to your body after you get the shot? First of all, imagine someone stepping on a nail and the bacteria releases toxin which stiffens the muscle and can cause lockjaw. Naturally, our body will make special protein known as the antibody, which helps our immune system to fight the toxin produced by the bacteria. In order for us to stay fully immunized, it is recommended by the US Center for Disease and Control that adults get a booster shot every 10 years. And the side effects of the shot includes pain or swelling at arm area, fever, diet, and vomiting.
Thank you for watching.